Hello guys, welcome to the channel Coding Helpline. Please subscribe to the channel to promote it, share our videos and help us to provide educational content. Today's program is about inventory management system. This is a database application that is text based menu driven Crud application. Tool set, the software we need to develop this application: MySQL 8, Mysql Workbench, Netbeans 8.2, JDK 1.8 and JConnector 8. These are the software we need to integrate and develop our application. Problem statement: our program is a text-based menu-driven application to manage product inventory and provide an interface to do the following. Number one, we add a product, added product, delete product, and view all the products. Classes I am going to create for this application. DB connection. It is preferable to create a database connection application so that we can manage database connection at a single place. Product class. This is the basic entity class that will represent a product, and the attributes it will have: ID, name, quantity and price. DB handler class. This class will provide a layer to the database. It will use the DB connection and we will pass product object to perform different database operations. Inventory controller class. This will be the class that will control the logic of entire application. This will work as a major layer between database layer and the entity model, and this will provide all the I/O in user interaction and other tasks. Main method class or tester or driver class. This will have a main method that will call a method from the inventory controller to run the application. Let's begin. First task: create database. Use Workbench to create database. Create database. Inventory. Use database. Inventory. Select it. Create table. Product. Product ID int not null. Product name, let's say varchar 50 will be enough, not null. Quantity int not null. Price float not null, and a primary key. Product ID. Let's run the script. Our database is created. Let's save it. desktop db.sql. Create a Netbeans application. New project, application, inventory, system. And desktop is okay. Finish. Our first class is created. Let's add JConnector, local or relative, into the project. To do so, we open the system, create new folder, let's say lib. This is the JConnector file, we put it here, and that's it. Properties, libraries, add jar, and we go to desktop, and here is our project folder. This is lib folder, this is jar file, and we select it and add it. Now we have the SQL references and other things we need, and driver, JDBC application. Okay, now we create classes. Product class, DB handler class, DB connection class, inventory controller class. Okay, now first of all we will write product class. Simple entity class, private int, product ID, private string, product name, private int, quantity, private float, double, price. Let's use the source generation, insert code, constructor, okay, default constructor, source, insert code, constructor, parameter constructor for all the parameters, attribute values, parameter constructor with all the values for attributes, getter and setter methods, source, insert, getter and setter, select all, generate. Okay, we have all the getter and setter methods. Now override the toString, get the string representation, public string to string, and we return some formatter output. Return string dot format percentage minus, let's say 12d, percentage minus, let's say 30s, percentage minus 10d, percentage minus percentage 0.2f, and new line. product ID, product name, quantity, price. That's it. This class is complete. Let's write the connection class. Okay, we write it in a way we can easily edit it. Database parameters that we will use to connect to the database. Private static final string URL JDBC MySQL localhost and the port. Let's copy this to save time. Now user root. You can put any name for your username in the database. Password 1234 is my database password. You can use your own. DB name, and we make the database name inventory. Parameters. These parameters are very important. This is concatenated and passed as a URL to create the connection. I am going to use the server should not check or verify the SSL certificate, but must use SSL. Verify server certificate is equal to false and use SSL is equal to true. This is a very handy parameter. Now a function to create a connection. Public static connection get connection. We add the reference here. Import java.sql connection is equal to null, return connection. Try catch exception e dot print stack trace. Okay, connection is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Now URL concatenate DB name and concatenate parameters user and password. This will create a connection for the database. Now we give a function to close the connection. Public static void disconnect connection. Okay. Now we check if connection is open. If connection is not equal to null, we close it. Connection dot close. If it is null, we don't need to close it. Our connection class is ready. Let's test it. Public static void main string connection connection is equal to get connection. If connection is not equal to null, let's say system.out.println connected, else system.out.println not connected. Let's run this file to check over connection is successful. Connected. So we successfully made the connection. Okay. Let's start working on inventory controller. Public void add product. Function to add a new product. Import java.util.scanner. Let's import the whole package. Private scanner keyboard, new scanner, system.in. Okay. Prompt the user for data. System.out.print, enter product ID, int ID, keyboard.next, int, system.out.print, enter product name. Read the new line character, next line, so that we can read the whole line from here. String product name is equal to keyboard dot next line, system.out.print, enter product quantity, system.out.print, enter product price. Double price is equal to keyboard.next double. Create product object. Product is equal to new product ID, product name, quantity and price. Now add this object to the database. First C of Crud. Now we will have here the database layer. Private DB handler is equal to new DB handler. Handler dot insert product. Let's create this function. Let's put a message as a notification. system.out.println product has been saved into the database, else fail to save the product into database. DB handler class. Import java.util dot package import java.sql. Okay, let's create public boolean insert product insert a product into the database, return true if inserted, try catch exception, e.print stack trace, boolean result is equal to false, return result. Now we write here SQL, string SQL is equal to insert into product values 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parameter values. Now connection. Connection is equal to db connection dot get connection. Now we will use prepared statement. Prepared statement stmt is equal to connection dot prepare statement and SQL. Create prepared statement. This statement has advantages to enter the values into the SQL command. Set parameter values stmt dot set int 1 product dot get product ID, stmt dot set string 2, that is the offset of parameter, product dot get product name, stmt dot set int 3, product dot get quantity, stmt dot set double, 4 product dot get price. Now we execute command. Int inserted is equal to stmt dot execute update. The result is equal to inserted greater than equal to 1. Close the connection. db connection dot disconnect connection. Now our method is ready. Okay. First, now we provide a menu. Public int menu. Display a menu to user and return choice. System.out.print inventory management system. Number 1, add new product. Number 2, delete a product. Number 3, update a product. For example, price or quantity. Display all the products. We will display a table of all the products. 5, quit the application. Int choice do while choice is less than 1 or choice is greater than 5. Return choice. System.out.print, enter option. Choice is equal to keyboard.next int. Our menu is OK. This is a wrapper function to run the application. Public void run app. Run the application. We can make them private because we are not going to call these functions outside of the class, so they will be more secure. Int choice do while choice is not equal to 5. Show the menu. Choice is equal to menu. Just a new line, another new line, and here we handle it. If choice is equal to 1, add product. Else if choice is equal to 2, delete product. Else if choice is equal to 3, update a product. Else if choice is equal to 4, display all the products. We add these functions later. Let's run this first application. First menu option, inventory system. Okay, we simply call the function inventory controller. Controller is equal to new inventory controller. Controller dot run the app. Let's run the app. Okay, we have a menu in front of us. We select the first option. This is the only option so far implemented. Enter product ID 1. Let's say hammer, quantity 10, price 3.75. Okay, closing in more. Our previous testing was failed because we have not closed the database connection. Okay, let's fix it. Welcome back, guys. The SSL exception was due to the previous version of JConnector and the database. I have upgraded the MySQL to the latest version 8.0.21 and used the latest upgraded JConnector, so our SSL issue was fixed. If you don't use these SSL required parameters, there will be no issue, but this is for the safer connection, secure connection. Okay, let's now run our application. Okay, first product 1, hammer, quantity 10, price 3.75. Okay, we still have the same issue. Okay guys, this was because of the previously added product. I have upgraded the database. I thought the database has been upgraded, so table will be recreated. Let's run it again. One hammer 10 3.75. Our product has been saved into the database. Let's see in the workbench. Select from product. Okay, our product has been added. Now other functions. Inventory controller. Okay, option 2, delete product. Private void delete product. Okay, we prompt the user for product ID system.out.print. Please enter product ID. ID is equal to keyboard dot next int. Okay, call function to delete it. Handler dot if handler dot delete product ID system.out.print product with ID has been deleted. Else has not been deleted. Okay, now add the delete function into handler. Public void delete product int ID. Delete a product with ID. Boolean result false. Return result try catch exception dot print stack trace. Let's copy these for the update function. Added product. Product. Okay, we will add the code into it shortly. String SQL delete from product where product ID is equal to okay. Now prepared statement connection db connection dot get connection db connection dot disconnect. Prepared statement con dot prepared statement. set the parameter. stmt dot set int 1 and id. Execute int deleted. stmt dot execute update. Result is equal to delete greater than equal to 1. Okay, that's it. Now update. We have a skeleton string SQL update product set. We are not going to change name, we are going to change the quantity. Quantity is equal to, and we will change price, where product ID connection db connection dot get connection db connection dot disconnect. Prepaid statement con dot prepaid statement. stmt dot set int for quantity product dot get product quantity. stmt dot set double product dot get price. stmt dot set int 3 product dot get product ID. Int updated is equal to stmt dot up dot execute update. Int result updated is greater than equal to 1. Okay, we already closed the connection. Okay, now the select statements. Public product get product int ID. Select a product by ID. Return product is equal to none. Return product. Try catch exception e dot print stack trace string SQL. Select from product where product ID is equal to ID. Connection db connection dot get connection db connection dot disconnect. Pre-pair statement con dot prepare statement. stmt dot set int 1 ID. Result set stmt dot execute query while rs dot next. Iterate the result set. Product is equal to new product. rs dot get int 1 rs dot get string 2 rs dot get int quantity or start to get double and 4. This is price. Okay, we have created the product. Return it. We already closed it. Another function public array list product get products. Get all the products to display. List all the products. List of products. Array list products, new array list product, return products. Copy this code. We remove the condition to select all the products. Add into list products dot add product. That's it. Don't need to change anything else. Now we have all the operations in place. We call them from the controller to provide an interaction. Okay, this is delete function. Delete the product. Update product. Get the ID. Okay, we have the ID. Now we get the product. Product is equal to handler dot get product by ID. If product is equal to null, not found, system.out.print no such product exists with ID return. Okay, now we have a product here. Prompt the user for the price and quantity. Enter new quantity. We can add the details to display. System.out.print f product ID copy line, put it here. Remove new lines. Product name. Quantity. Price. Okay. Int quantity. Keyboard. Next int. Now get the price. Please enter new price. Double price is equal to next double. Now set these value. Product dot set quantity. Product dot set price. Now update this. Dot update. Product has been updated, otherwise product has not been updated. That's it. Now we display the entire inventory. Display inventory. List all the products. Get the list. Array list. Product. Handler dot get products. String output. Let's say we get the formatting from here. Open. System.out.print ln s and s. Product ID, name, quantity, and here comes the price. Print F. Oh, 1 minute. Print ln. We need another parenthesis. Okay, now we print the inventory for product P, products, system.out.println .print P. Okay, let's call these function in the run method. Delete product, update product, and display inventory. If some bug occurs, we will fix that. Stop this. Let's drag it a while upward. Run the application. Okay. Let's call this one. Okay, and non-conversion. Need to see what happens here. Okay, this is the problem. Run 4. Okay, this will display over inventory. Now let's update ID 1. Okay, new quantity 15, price is 4. Okay, updated, product is updated. Let's display again. Okay, price change, quantity change, price change. Now let's add another product. 2 plier 10 3.9 4. We now have 2 products. Let's delete one. Number 2. 1. Product has been deleted. 4. See, product 1 is no more there. Thank you guys. This is a simple menu driven inventory management system with all the Crud operations. Backend is database. Please subscribe to the channel to promote and encourage us. Thank you guys.